Hey guys, my name is Gene. This is my van, the bungalow. I've been living in this thing for 10 months, traveling, working remotely. I feel very, very blessed to be able to live in this thing, and I actually started a company, Pyon Vans, to build vans out. The level of freedom and the level of just adventure I've had living in this thing has been unbelievable. If you asked me a year ago where I was versus how I am right now, I feel like I've gone through multiple lifetimes, and I wish this is the type of lifestyle that everyone should experience, even if it's just for a week at a time. It would really change the way that you look at things. I know for me, my view on what reality is has shifted so drastically. And I can't wait to give you guys a tour of my van, so check it out. Alright, so this is my bulkhead. This separates the front from the back, provides complete privacy at night, like it blacks everything out. But it also acts like a heat and cold barrier. So I've had days where I stick my hand through this bulkhead and it feels like I'm sticking my hand in the oven, but like with it closed, like it's like cool and like, you know, chill back here because it blocks all the heat out. This is my house slash office slash bedroom slash kitchen. So this is my van. I have a acoustic electric guitar right here that I just picked up a month ago. This right here is a thermostat that controls my fuel intake, and it's called Webasto heater. So during the winter time I could be up in the mountains snowboarding and I'll be toasty in my van, you know, walking around in my shorts and a t-shirt. Very, very cool. All the lights here are very dimmable, so like you can see, like I just hold the button and it dims the lights. And there's also zone lighting, and I could show you with all the doors closed. It's definitely a vibe. As you see right here, I'm just turning the lights on and off zone by zone, and they're all dimmable separately, and that is super cool to set the tone or the mood, you know, and switch things up a little bit. So I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but I got bougie taste. I like bougie things, and what's more bougie than backlit diffuse lighting? Nothing on the market had this when I was doing van life, and I just always loved the aesthetic and vibe of the lights bouncing off the ceiling. So that's what I did, and that's what I could do for you too. I have a 4K TV here which attaches to my game systems through the wall. So this right now is offline, but I can also play this online due to my hotspot. It's super rad playing Smash Bros online in the middle of the woods or by the beach. Unreal. I can also put my iPad on there and, you know, watch some like Disney Plus or whatever, like YouTube videos, and that's super rad, you know, be on the beach, like watching videos 10 o'clock at night. Sink with a cutting board, 25 gallons of fresh water. I cook a lot, I make a lot of wraps. This oven right here has a 3-burner stove. Yesterday I made some cinnamon rolls. I think tonight I might make some pizza. Super stoked with that. Rotating spice rack. Created this thing so I could, you know, whip it up in the kitchen anytime I want. And then all these things up here are just, you know, assorted drawers. I got all my utensils and some guitar things over there. Miscellaneous item drawer, because you know, like we all need those. This is pretty cool. Got my speakers in here, but also my electrical components, so I can turn on and off like my air suspension system, you know, water pressure, propane, my inverter. You hear that? So my car's leveling itself out as we speak. Real fancy stuff. Pyon Vans, baby, Pyon Vans. Yeah, inverter and battery monitor, and I got some speakers right here too. I got this one super cool speaker which I'll show you a shot of. It's a like rainbow like LED speaker that lights up the inside of the van. Very, very vibey. Utensils and plates and bowls. Over here I got all my drawers. This right here is my blender and my pot drawer. I make a lot of zoodles, like zucchini noodles. I got a zoodle maker in there too. I whip up a lot of smoothies. Very, very key element in my van right here. I love this thing. Oh yeah, another thing, drawers have locks on them. So these magnetic baby locks allow me to hit this spot right here, open it up, have all my things. You know, I got an electric kettle, induction stove, all my supplements in here, and the baby lock makes it so I can go down like real like windy roads and not have my stuff fly all over the place, as I learned the hard way in Colorado. Kind of a hippie, so I got like my crystal collection over here. I don't know if you guys know what Oregon generators are, but they generate a lot of good energy, so I got a lot of energy generation going on over here at this row. As I've traveled, you know, I've gone to different places. Like, this is my SoCal kind of like travel memento area. Everything with love, a local SoCal company. And this is just a picture of me and my shaper who made my really awesome pintail 7.6 surfboard that I have literally used every day for the last 5 months. I got a freezer fridge right here, so if you're wondering how I make my smoothies, this is how. Got acai bowls, got frozen fruit, got the spinach, got the oat milk, all the essentials that you need. I also have an amp right here, a smart amp that I use to play my electric acoustic guitar hybrid, but it's chilling in there along with my drawing pad so I can, you know, draw things. I got a composting toilet in here that I honestly have never used. You know, I have the option to use it and it's not gonna smell, but like if I can go to CVS at night or go to the grocery store and pick up a snack instead, I much prefer doing that. So, showcase ready toilet that has not been used yet, but maybe will one day in the case of extreme dire emergency. The whole van is also outfitted with the sound system. I got a sub underneath this thing, 2 speakers in the back, 2 speakers in the front. Got a closet right here, you know, like this is where I put all my winter gear, my jackets. I have a suit in here. I'm not really a suit guy, but I got a suit just in case. Got a mirror, so I got a very comfortable bed. Memory foam with a gel padding and Egyptian cotton, so it's very soft. All my clothes are in here, and the coolest thing about this is I got 4 plugs in here to charge my phone, my other wireless accessories, and a hotspot right here, and I put like a lot of my electronics and kind of like personals in here. Speaking of the hotspot, I actually also have a 4G booster right here, so I could be somewhere with 1 bar of service and put this bad boy on, get 4 bars, you know, and start doing stuff remotely. I'll show you guys my garage. Come check it out. This right here is my garage. I got my mountain bike for adventures. Literally everything you need to be an outdoor adventure guy. I'm missing a kiteboard. I really want like a, you know, one of those parasails, but that's gonna be down the line. Those things are kind of pricey. 2 longboards, a carver, and like a cool little bamboo board. Got my snowboard and my gear right here. A wakeboard right here. And then this right here is a super cool little closet where I got my foamy surfboard as well as a wetsuit. This wetsuit is actually on a wetsuit drying device where I can just plug in, because I don't know if you can see that, but there is a outlet right there, and I just plug this thing in and the fan turns on. I can dry my wetsuit super fast. I have a shower in here, so I just pop this bad boy out. Can rinse off anywhere I want. It's also heated by propane, and I got 25 gallons of water in here as well. And there's also like my hand cane, so I can do handstands and calisthenics, and I got my table and my chairs so I could set up and just work anywhere remotely. Yeah, a lot of people think van life is something that is really scary to do, and I would agree. I was in the same boat. I was living in Chicago, working corporate America 9 to 5, and I saw these videos about van life on YouTube, and I'm like, dude, like, what am I doing? Why am I commuting an hour to work every day to work in a tiny little cubicle? And it just felt very, very limiting. It felt very, very stifling. I knew that I wanted to be free. I wanted to adventure. I wanted to experience life. And, you know, I put this thing together, you know, through a combination of luck, perseverance, and will. But I know a lot of people who don't have great builds. I feel very blessed to be able to live in this, but a lot of my good friends, they live in like $3,000, like, you know, $5,000 builds. So it's possible to anyone. You just have to be okay with minimizing your life, focusing on what's important to you, prioritizing, because life is about priorities. What is important to you and what you focus on will determine the path that you take. Being okay with living in like a tiny space and getting rid of things that you don't need freed me up a lot. I got rid of a lot of stuff to live in in this thing, because I've learned over time that the more things you own, the more your things own you. So everything I have in here I love, and just being surrounded by things I love deeply on a daily basis, so I can only buy things I love, and I can only keep things I love, and eat good food all the time, because I don't pay rent. That's pretty rad. I would love to help any of you guys on this journey. Pyon Vans is my company, and we do like super high quality builds. Check out the website, contact me through my Instagram, send me a message, and I'd be more than happy to talk with you, to guide you through things. Even if you don't end up getting a van with us, being able to be part of someone's journey and help them transform their lives on such a deep, visceral level is more rewarding than anything I could ask for financially. Many blessings to you, and good luck on your path, whatever you choose it to be.